Oh, good morning, everybody. Little different scenery here. I am in Des Moines, Iowa. God, the lighting is horrible. I'm in Des Moines, Iowa. I'm here again for the 2022 Good Guys show, car show event that they have every year. So yesterday I went and got a couple pictures. I didn't get as much as what I liked. So today I'm going to try to get everything packed in before I head back and see what we can get for you guys. I don't know if I'll do a lot of gimbal stuff because there is so much there. So I might just kind of hand hold it for the meantime. Maybe certain trucks I'll break the gimbal out, but we're just gonna kind of have fun, enjoy it, and see what I can do without the gimbal for the most part. That way I can try to capture as much of the stuff as possible for everybody. There's so many vehicles, there's so much shit to look at, and it's just ridiculous. So for the meantime, we should get going. So I will see you guys at the show.
This shit high, boy.
Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we heading for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I'm a stun. Oh, living lively. Everybody tryna ride my wave, they can ride me. Pull up in a foreign to the curb looking icy. I ain't never stressed about a fit, I'm a hype bitch. I want more friends, there's a problem. I be living like a king since I hopped in. Yeah, my foot is in the bins, yeah, I'm riding with a gang. Yeah, I hit a hot lick, I'm the top shit. Bought a two-seater, it's a Beamer, more than 100 racks. VV's Aquafina, I be iced, I don't ever cap. First name deal, I got my back, yeah, we automatic. Ice cream reefer, hold it up, yeah, we feeling gas. Driving with a Tabo, going 100, running Florida. Riding with my shawty, yeah, I knew I had to flow with her. Looking like a bottle, shawty bad, yeah, she know what's up. Looking at the stars, I don't fuck it up. Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we heading for the sun. Shawty got my heart, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I'm a stun. Oh, living lively. Everybody tryna ride my wave, they can ride me. Pull up in a foreign to the curb looking icy. I ain't never stressed about a fit, I'm a hype beast.
Guys, Supra. Is that Supra? Supra.